Hi, I'm Willow Kemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is question 3, Jamb Physics 2018, which goes thus. In a meter bridge experiment, 2 resistors, 2 ohms and 3 ohms occupy the left and right gaps respectively. Find the balance point from the left side of the bridge. A meter bridge is used in finding the unknown resistance of a conductor as that of in a Wheatstone bridge. Okay, and the Wheatstone principle states that the resistance on the left, the ratio of the resistance of the left to the ratio of the resistance to the right is equal to the length to the left over the meter rule. The meter rule is 100 minus the length to the left. Okay, good. So now we're going to substitute the values. The ohms, that is the resistance to the left, we're given is 2 ohms, so we have 2 over the resistance to the left, that is 3, okay, equals L bracket 100 minus L. Okay, so now we cross multiply, so we have 3L equals 2 times 100 minus L. We have to open the bracket now, so we have 3 we have 3L equals 2 times 100, we have 200, then minus 2L. So now if we collect the like terms, on the right hand side we bring 2L, so we have 3L plus 2L equals 200. Okay, so 3L plus 2L will give us 5L equals 200. So now we have to go ahead to divide both sides by 5. So these cancel this out. Okay, then 5 and 200 will give us 40. Okay, so the length to the left is 40 centimeter. So the answer option B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.